Hello and welcome to my channel. We are going to check out the meeting between Harry's people and the King's people. It happened on Wednesday, but they decided to pap it and wait until Saturday to try to overshadow Princess of Wales at Wimbledon. But Catherine looked gorgeous as always, and people were screaming, "We love you, Kate." So it didn't work, did it? So anyway, back to what we're talking about. We're going to use my pendulum, and vertical for yes and horizontal for no. So let's ask, what was the meeting about, please? Oh, maybe you can spell that out for us, please. Could you tell us what exactly was that meeting about, please? Can you spell it out for us? I haven't done this in quite a while, so we're just going to see. And this pendulum is Daniel. So Daniel, please tell us, what was that meeting between Harry's people and the King's people about, please? And it looks like an O. Okay. O. That's the first letter. What's the next letter, please? Let me give it a little bit more chain there. Okay. So O. What's the next letter, please? What were the King's people and Harry's people talking about, please? Can you spell it out? Maybe he had to get started. So please tell us. T. Is that a T? Yeah, yep, okay. Okay, so continue, please. Please tell us what this meeting was about, because we are all really wondering. So it was T. And then what? Is that an I? Yeah, okay. T-I. M. T-I-M. Is that in, It looks like you're going to eat. Time. Is that time? Yes. Okay. Wow, Daniel, you are really on it tonight. So, okay, time. What were they talking about, please? We all want to know. All eyes are on you, Daniel. So, time. Okay. That is a K. That is a K. I. N. Okay. Is that a G? Is this, are you saying king? Okay. Next letter, please. Next letter, please. That's, is that an H? Yes, okay. That's an A. S, okay. Next letter, please. Okay, that's an, is that an L? And that's going to yes. Oh, I don't think I like where this is going, really. That's an E, isn't it? F. That's still going to yes. What's the next letter, please? Next letter. Oh. Are you saying... Okay. That was a T. Are you saying they were discussing the time the king has left? Is that what they... Oh my goodness, that's going to yes. Okay. You know what? I'm going to raise the vibrations in here. And again... You know what? People are speculating that, and just spraying some protective spray here. This is magical spray, Violet Flame, and I got that from Sons of Asgard, but I am also making my own, so I'm just trying to use this up. So that's it then. The time the king has left. Okay, thank you all, and thank you to my members. Thank you for supporting my channel. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one.